Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla side mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools like a plastic pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also need your new mirror glass. Make sure it's the correct one for your specific Corolla model. Safety is important, so put on some safety gloves and eye protection before you begin. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old mirror glass. Gently insert your plastic pry tool behind the old glass, working your way around the edges. Apply steady, even pressure to release it from the clips. If your mirror has heating or power adjustment features, carefully disconnect any electrical wires attached to the back of the glass. Once the old glass is out, take a moment to clean the mirror housing, ensuring no broken pieces or dirt remain. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror glass. If your mirror has electrical connections, carefully attach them to the new glass first, ensuring a snug fit. Next, align the new mirror glass with the mounting clips and points inside the mirror housing. Apply gentle, even pressure to the center of the glass, pushing it firmly until you hear or feel it snap securely into place. Avoid pressing on the edges. After installation, perform a few final checks. If your mirror has power adjustment, test it to ensure it moves correctly in all directions. For heated mirrors, verify the heating function works. Gently push on the new mirror glass to confirm it's firmly seated and doesn't wobble. Finally, remember to safely dispose of your old, broken mirror glass. Wrap it in newspaper or a cloth before placing it in the trash to prevent any cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.